So we go first to Dishod, who will speak for Dishod. ROIC, where is your where is your secretary for the record, ma'am?
Yes, Mr. Chair, for the record, we received yesterday late afternoon a letter from the Office of the President approving the leave of absence of Secretary Ping Aniling. We have here the approval of the leave of absence, and we also likewise received the letter from the Office of the President designating this representation as the officer in charge of DSUD, Mr. Chair. We are ready to furnish the COMSEC a copy of the letters from the Office of the President.
I'm hoping that this will be productive, no? That you can answer. Kung meron kayo masasagot, kung may mga concerns, yun ang problema eh. Pag wala yung secretary, tapos sasabihin nyo, we have to refer to the secretary. Do you have the authority na talagang to decide and to state the position of the department? Kasi we are just wasting time here. Imagine all of these people, kahit na may crisis, came here. Even I had to come here for this loan hearing this morning to hear this. Kasi nga, I'm concerned kasi crisis to ngayon. And we want hindi natin pwedeng payagan na yung backlog lumago pa kahit na may crisis. That's why we want it also, we want to hear the concerns of the developers. Hindi po ako pro-developer. Kaya lang, pag sila po ay tumigil ng pag-develop, paggawa, wala na tayong mga bahay at hindi natin ma-address yung backlog. So we want to make it easy for business, for developers also to conduct business even in the face of crisis. Yes, ma'am. Do you have the authority to speak on for example, policies, kung ano yung mga concerns sila, kung ano yung mga pwedeng i-adapt?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Because this is already the second or third hearing that Secretary Aliling has not showed up in this committee.